Hello, my name is Bryan. I go to Homestead High School, and this is my starting project for Blue Stamp Engineering. I'm doing a desktop CNC mill, and so for my starter project I was assembling the kit, putting all the parts together, wiring the electronics, and then getting it to interface with a computer. So this is a Cartesian robot, and this is a stepper motor connected to a terminal block, which is connected to the electronics. And my CNC mill has 3 of them, one for each axis, which is a Cartesian robot, and then it uses Maker Slide, which is a linear bearing system with wheels and a drive belt to move each axis depending on the amount of steps and how far you want it to go. And then it uses a lead screw for the z-axis to raise the cutting tool or pen up and down. And then this is the controller board, which includes terminal blocks to all the different motors, interface with the computer, a reset switch, transistors, a big capacitor for each stepper motor to provide micro-stepping and to regulate the 24-volt current. And then it has a stepper driver board, potentiometers to adjust the voltage to each stepper motor itself, and an emergency stop switch to cut out the voltage to the board if anything goes wrong. So this is a demo of the Shaper Cone CNC machine doing the Hello World program.